फील अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि सब जगह एक्साइटमेंट बहुत है। और बाकी गोवा देखा हुआ है, माय वाइफ अलॉन्ग विद मी, एंड आई हैव रियली एंजॉयड माय फुल करियर। छोटा बड़ा ये तो आप सब जानते ही है, बदमाशियाँ करता रहता था। नहीं, मुझे बड़ा शॉकिंग सरप्राइज है कि मैंने बड़े बड़े रोल किए, लेकिन एक छोटा रोल किया था वो हाउसफुल 2 में, और बेबी कहाँ जाता हूँ वही करवाते रहते हैं मेरे से ऑल दैट। तो मैं करता हूँ क्या?
सर, आज के करंट ब्रीड ऑफ एक्टर्स में
And I don't see movies at all. In my life, I've seen not more than 15-20 pictures. Never. Because my kids also, when they were born, and they were, because of internet and because of this all media, they knew this is my job. And grooming was done, and they knew that the father is doing a good job, and it's nothing you have to have a complex and all that. And because in my personal life, whether they are ministers, whether they are the big actors, and I have seen their life along with them only. And luckily, got a good wife, she can take care of. I was always working 7-8 days, together 7-8 films the same day I used to shoot. And I enjoyed working, not for money. It was amazing. And all those days, from Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar, till today's new actors, Ranjeet, Sunil Dutt, they all gave me a lot of love and affection. And I think I was very fortunate. And I never had any training, no TV, no background of theatre, no film institute, no dancing institute, to know this sari pulling institute, koi nahi thi. So it was an amazing journey. Now these days, very frankly, there's a lot of vulgarity in the movies or in your whatever platform you're saying, OTT, whatever it is, and dirty dialogue, abusive language. I was a villain. But I was a crude villain, not a vulgar. So I get due respect in any walk of life, in any walk of society. And I'm very proud of it, and they all love it. Like you said, you loved my work and all that. That's my profession. I have to justify what I'm doing. So when my audience is happy, that's how I've done. और क्या होता है, हमारा काम हमको ले जाता है। तो बड़ा मज़ा आया जर्नी में। फिर बोर हो गया था। Then I produced and directed 2 films, and fortunately they were also liked, and they were not kind of a lot of cuts or anything. They were not clear use. So like Karnama was the first film which I produced and directed. We were bored of doing the same thing, and I'm strictly vegetarian. On the screen, I don't know the taste of mutton or anything. I'm a social drinker. I don't smoke, and that's my character, and I'm loved by everybody. And she sometimes, when
and he's a true Amritsari. Without the MCs and PCs का
फिर शुरू हो गया।
But we love that.
कि मीठा नहीं खा सकते।
We all love that.
You don't have to
I know,
put.
we all have to love that,
But did I put any beef? But
No.
then
No, in fact, we love your combination also. Both of you are wearing blue.
Thank
it's a coincidence.